This tissue was actually on the audience's face, so we need to do a postmortem. Okay, let's start with the good things first. In this movie, you can find the duplicates of Virat Kohli, Jason Statham, and Sushma Swaraj. When you go for this movie, you will be as excited as this boxer. The way this boxer is entering inside the ring, the same way you will enter inside the theater. And eventually, the movie will give you this, a tissue. And this is you. But wait, few things are true.
जुनैद अंसारी कमाता हूँ धर्म में लेकिन खर्चता हूँ रुपए में, खाता हूँ इनकी लेकिन सुनता हूँ सिर्फ मोदी जी की.
That's why they shot the entire movie out of India. आखिर मोदी जी के मन की बात सुन ही ली. In fact, they created a new country. Just for a 10-minute sequence, they have created a new goddamn country. और पूरे 2 आवर की मूवी की स्क्रिप्ट के लिए बस इतना सा पेपर यूज किया. This dishoom is so powerful कि इस मूवी ने KR के जैसे बंदे को भी रुला दिया. This was his review.
फिर कुछ होने लगता है, क्या होता है नहीं पता.
And yes, if you are an Akshay Kumar fan and waiting for Rustom, look what your Rustom is doing here. But to be honest, they tried really hard to make this movie special. Choppers, boat rides, everything. Except the basics. You know, movie Dishoom is just like this marriage. I mean, there is no need for this adventure. I mean, just get the basics right. And yeah, Nargis Fakhri is also there. Just for 2 scenes and this is one of them. But wait, audience Varun Dhawan नहीं है. उनको movie में कहानी देखनी है. ये सब.
मत पियो, it's killing you.
बुलेट्स नहीं मार पाई. ये सिगरेट क्या चीज है?
Sorry bro, but no smoking killed you. He is one of those actors who got his acting degree from here. I mean sir, 2 घंटे की मूवी में 2 expressions तो दो. And according to few people, that was the best joke of the movie.
संभल के, गुड्डू अकेला नहीं है.
बच्चे
तो गोद में ले ले.
And that was the audience's reaction. And this is one of the best buddy cop movie. Because while watching it, you enjoy it. But if you watch Dishoom, after every scene, your brain will ask 1,000 questions to you. So if you want to watch Dishoom, do not use this.
देख कबीर, तू मुन्ना भाई होगा, लेकिन मैं सर्किट नहीं हूँ. तू बैटमैन होगा, लेकिन मैं बर्डमैन नहीं हूँ. तू हीरो होगा, लेकिन अब मैं भी हीरो.
Sorry buddy, but आपके भाई ने मूवी बनाने के बाद उसे देखा नहीं. बनाने के बाद शायद एक बार देख लेते तो कुछ हो सकता था.
ISI और रॉ दोनों के लिए काम करती हो क्या?
सिर्फ खुद के लिए.
She also tried her best, but acting skills देखकर audience was like. And this was the iconic scene of the movie Dishoom. But after the movie release, it's not John and Varun. They are the producer and director of the movie.
अरे तूने कितने में ली?
लेनी छोड़, अब शायद देनी पड़ेगी.
Thank you so much for watching this show, guys. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, press the subscribe button. But personally, I love the word Dishoom. Actually, if you punch someone, the sound is not Dishoom, it's something else. But now, I'm going to show you the biggest Dishoom in the world by our very own Kaka.
तुम्हारे मकरूल सर को कुचल कर, अपने पांव तले रौंद कर, अधमरी लाश बनाकर कानून की ठोकरों में फेंक देंगे.